Hello, my name is Alberta Donko, co-founder of the Plant Ferry Company Limited. We're located at 37 Switchback Road off the Cantonment Road. We are into landscape installation and design. We sell plants and plant artifacts. We sell pots for indoor and outdoor as well. We sell other artifacts for garden, like stands, any other artifact you need for your garden. We deal in plantscaping, both interior and exterior. If you want anything concerning plants, consultation, whatever, you can come to us. Our telephone number is 050-942-1515. You can also find us on Instagram, info.plantferry on Instagram, Facebook, The Plant Ferry. The Plant Ferry is also on the 2020 Ghana Garden and Flower Show, the virtual show edition. Thank you.